In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Loom video emojis. If you share videos for training, client updates, or polished presentations, emoji reactions can be distracting on screen or in the timeline. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting in Loom so you can turn those off for a specific video, and I'll add a few tips so you know what to expect. Start by opening Loom in your browser and landing on the For You homepage. This is the main dashboard you see after signing in, with your recent content and quick links. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Library. Library is where all your recordings live, including folders and shared items, so it's the easiest place to choose the video you want to update. If you have a lot of content, the search bar at the top can help you jump right to the title you need without scrolling. Next, click on the video you want to change. This opens the video's watch page where you can play it, copy a share link, and adjust settings. We're heading to the settings panel, so locate the settings option, typically in the upper right area of the page, and click it. A side panel or modal will appear with several categories to control how your video behaves for viewers. In that panel, select Audience. Audience controls what viewers can do and see, including comments, downloads, and importantly, emoji reactions. Find the emoji reactions toggle. When this is on, viewers can tap emojis like hearts or claps that float on the screen and show up in engagement metrics. To turn them off, click the toggle so it's disabled. Loom saves this change automatically, so there's no extra save button to hunt for. Once the toggle is off, viewers will no longer see the emoji reaction bar on your video, and any real-time floating reactions are disabled. You can close the settings panel and you're done. If you ever want to bring reactions back for that video, just return to the same audience section and switch the toggle on again. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. This change applies to the single video you edited, so repeat these steps for any other recordings where you don't want reactions. If your sidebar labels look a bit different, sometimes it says videos instead of library, that's fine, the steps are the same. And if you don't see audience settings, make sure you have edit access to the video. That's it. You've successfully turned off Loom video emojis and kept your viewers focused on the content that